Welcome to Databuckets Academy. In this episode, we're going to introduce to you the user interface of the Databuckets tool. There are a few tabs over here. Let's first dig into the Datasets tab. Dataset is how data is organized on Databuckets. For example, you can see here, Awesome Demo App is a dataset of an app, and Awesome Demo Game is a dataset of a game. You can also send data from different sources to Databuckets as well. For example, from Ad Networks, we have here Mintegral, ironSource, AppLovin, Unity, etc. Or NMP, we have here Adjust. Furthermore, you can also create CSV dataset on Databuckets. Now, let's move on to the Insights tab. Insights is where you query. You can click on the New Insight, choose Raw Insight if you want to see the raw data, and choose Insight if you want to query. Each insight will look something like this. Each insight will contain a few steps, the data table, and a chart. Now, when you have created a few insights, you would want to organize them in a dashboard for better visualization and observe long-term. That's when you click onto the tab Dashboards. In Dashboards, there are different dashboard groups. For example, we have here App Demo 2 and Demo Game. Each of this dashboard group contain a number of different dashboards for a game or an app. Let's go on overview. This is how a dashboard looks like. For example, in this dashboard overview, we have 3 different widgets: daily users and revenue, average session and average duration per user, and top countries. Each of this widget is linked to an insight. Moving on to the Users tab. Let's say you want to add users to Databuckets. You would go to this tab to do it. There are 2 main types of users: admin and user. If you're an admin, you would have this yellow icon next to your name. If you're a user, you would not have that. If you're an admin, you can add user to Databuckets by clicking on Add User and type in their email. You can also set role for a person to be an admin or to be a user. You can also assign them to different groups. Moving on, let's go to the tab Groups. In this tab is how you manage access control of different users to different datasets. For example, we have 7 groups. In Group B over here, there's a few datasets, and there are a list of people who have access to these datasets. The people who are not on this list will not have access to these datasets. Therefore, they cannot see the insights that were created using these datasets. And that is an introduction of the Databuckets user interface. For more information, please refer to our documents linked in the description.